Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are the cards for your general energies, Leos. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, Leos, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards. We have Devil, Ace of Swords in reverse, and Queen of Pentacles. So, in your situation, guys, Leos, it may be in your work situation or it may be in your relationship, guys. You are someone who is really dedicated, guys, responsible, and you are making lot of efforts today. Maybe for your work or for your relationship, you are trying really hard, you are being really dedicated, you are not leaving anything unturned, any leaf unturned to reach your dreams or goals or whatever achievements you have for yourself, guys, Leos. And you are someone who is really caring and nurturing to the people around you. You are compassionate, you are that warm spirit who helps people and supports anyone in your life, helping them and helping them in every possible way. And you are someone people look up for guidance and support, some kind of uh, positive person. They feel really inspired to be with you. And maybe for some of you, this may be your energy or someone's energy. This may be your person's energy. Maybe this person you love because of your overwhelming nature, your helping nature, that compassionate, kind nature. People always, you are someone like a magnet attracting everyone's attention towards you. But this person with you, they may feel really jealous or some kind of inhibitions they may have because of the way you are, guys, Leos. And they feel they are losing their freedom or losing their way of thinking because of your uh, what to say of your indulgence, maybe in their life or in the way things are going, because people always listen to you and not to them. And they are, maybe sometimes they feel that you are too controlling or dominating, you are a dominating character, and they feel really hopeless. They feel they do not have any role in this relationship, and you are the one making every decision or every choice. So they feel really lost and hopeless, guys, Leos. And I also see that maybe for some of them, this attitude is taking them towards some kind of addictions. If it is something good, if it is some good habits, it's going to be all right, guys. But if it is something like drinking or smoking, and they are indulging too much in that, they need your help, Leos. That is what I see with these cards, guys. Let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys, Leos. We have 8 of Pentacles in reverse. So with this card in your relationship, guys, maybe whatever your expectations are, or this may be their energy towards you, guys, it may be your energy towards them or their energy towards you. So your expectations are not fulfilled, and there are many people attracted to you or attracted to them. So that is causing a lot of envy or jealousy in you, and that may be the reason for troubles But I see that this person truly loves you guys. You need not worry because they are not interested in other people, they are interested only in you guys, Leos. And let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have Nine of Pentacles. So, in your work situation, Leos, things are going in a very positive way. You have that emotional satisfaction, contentment, and the sense of accomplishment. So, things are going in a very positive way in your career situation, Leos. So, that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. You can close your eyes, think about your situation. Maybe you may have some doubts or confusions. You can think about it. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card and move on to this card, and I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card here. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card, the first card for those who chose this card. It is an angel card, guys. It's Archangel Uriel. So, with this card, the energy is that whenever we have an angel card, I usually say the angels are there guiding us today. So, maybe in your life today, you may have some doubts or confusions. Maybe you are in the verge of making some important decisions for your life, maybe for your work or maybe for your love, for your relationship. So you are confused, you don't know what is your decision or what is your choice. So you are feeling stuck, maybe. So this angel guides you subtly, in a very subtle way, but in a very powerful way. So you will have that clarity and understanding, guys, whatever your situation may be. For some of you, you may see answers through some signs or through some subconscious urges or impulses in your life today. So, whenever you need assistance, this angel is to be called upon, guys. And also, guys, this angel encourages you to listen to your inner voice. So, in your heart of hearts, you know what is your choice, the clear choice, and you will have an understanding of any situation, guys. So, that is what is important to you. So your intuition is guiding you or will be guiding you, and you need to listen to it, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose the first card. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. For those who chose this card, the second card, we will see what it is. It is building blocks. So with this card in our life, in any situation, guys, in our relationship maybe, it just means that we are attracting new relationships in our life. Maybe we are in a new connection and we want to build a strong and a beautiful relationship together with this person for that extraordinary life. In order to do that, we have to focus on the foundation we need to build this relationship on, the values, ethics, morals, and the core beliefs. These are all the most important things that will give us that solid grounding in this relationship and make it work in a very positive way and be You are in the process of making some remarkable changes in your life today, guys. This is the time for that. And maybe for some of you, you are attracting a new relationship towards you, or if you are already in a connection, you are building it more strongly, strengthening it with honesty, humility, clear communication, and a genuine desire to understand one another. And you are moving towards that strong foundation, firm footing for this relationship so that it can withstand any storm that you will be facing together, guys, when you are in a connection. So, long standing relationships are repaired and strengthened even further when you have a beautiful understanding with each other, guys. So, that is the energy with this card. So, you and the other person, you are working towards that stronger, more powerful relationship together than apart. So, that is the energy with this card. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment, guys. I will be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.